Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, center armrest, rear window defroster, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.